Well, thank you very much for joining us. There's Jay Bala. Just a couple of seconds to go for close. And, you were saying this is going to be a day to remember.
Cliffhanger, nail biter, what do we say?
I think it's, we were saying it's going to be a day to remember. It is a day to remember,
Oh,
but not
right.
in the way that we thought. It's
A day to remember, all right.
5.5% lower, 21,961. Sharp cuts across sectors. And look at the advanced decline, right? 500 stocks higher, 3,000, that's the BSE, 3,500 stocks lower. So that basically tells you the broad, sort of sell-off that we've seen with very little differentiation really coming through. There were gainers, I mean, the FMCG, maybe a little bit of IT, there was Sun TV, there's Sun TV at the bottom of the screen, and so on and so forth. But more often than not today, by a very wide margin, some 6 advances or 7 advances to 7 declines to an advance. I mean, that basically was the market breadth so far. So you got one tally done, which is of course markets, but the other tally will keep changing, and I think that will go on for a few hours more till we have kind of settled rates. So it's going to be a long evening, not just of course for those on the political spectrum of things, but even from the market perspective. People will be glued to the screen to try and track where this one is going to finally settle at, because that will determine how tomorrow and the next couple of days, of course, will pan out like as well.
Absolutely. I mean, this is not entirely over. It's not BAU come tomorrow morning for all those who are in the market. Anyway, just to quickly point out the final damage on stocks on the PSU basket. REC 24% lower, PFC 21% lower, Hutco is down 20%. You've got a BEL, BHEL, SAIL, Hindustan Copper, NALCO. These are all losses between 15 to 20% in most of these cases. Large names like ONGC, big names like Bank of Baroda, 15-16% down. But SBI itself is ending with a gash of about 13%. What's to say? But overall, all-round weakness in the PSUs and absolutely no sign of stability right till the end.
Market cap loss today is double of what we put on yesterday, 28 lakh crore in terms of market cap erosion today. Yesterday we put on 14 lakh crore, so it was that sort of a day. Rima.
Well, the final tick on the Nifty is well below the 21,900 mark. It's nearly 1,400 points gone. We're not closing at the day's low. The day's low today was 21,300. So from that level, we managed to recover close to about 600 points, but ending with a deep gash of 5.9% on the benchmark indices. Midcaps underperforming. The midcap index down close to about 8%. With that, it's time for a short break. Our special election coverage continues on the other side. Stay tuned.